Freelancing was supposed to be freedom, right? Instead, I'm tired, broke, and my clients walk all over me. Is this how it's supposed to be? That's just you falling for the classic freelancer traps. I have been at this for 7 years. And trust me, if you are doing what you are doing, freelancing won't be freedom for you. It will be a nightmare for you. Great, that's what I needed to hear. Then what am I doing wrong? Alright, let's break it down. There are 9 big mistakes that kill freelancers. And I have made every single one of them.
He cut the grain, he captured it. From edits to hustle, that's him. Stacking the skills, turning them into wins. Building a life where they're free, now they're yes.
Do you think saying yes to every client sounds smart? More yes equals to more money, right? No, you are wrong. Every yes to the wrong client is a no to the right one. I used to say yes to everyone and ended up overworked, underpaid, and miserable. Client respect boundaries. You don't look professional by saying yes to everything. You look desperate. Okay, but what if I accept a project that is out of my skill level? I mean, I will learn on the job. It's a win-win situation, right? You are wrong again. You will just miss deadlines, frustrate the clients, and lose your credibility. Remember, short-term cash isn't worth long-term damage. And your reputation is harder to repair than your bank account. But come on, man, feedback feels like rejection to me. I hate it. I hate feedback. Well, feedback isn't rejection, it's free consulting. The first time I got harsh feedback, it crushed me. But that same client ended up hiring me again because I improved. If you avoid feedback, you avoid growth. Simple as that. But if I charge less, I will get more clients, right? What do you think? Sure, if you want bad clients, if you charge peanuts, you attract monkeys, right? So low rates don't make you look affordable. They make you look inexperienced. Raise your rates and suddenly you will attract people who actually respect your work. So you are saying that I have been working for peanuts this whole time. Exactly. You got it right. Okay, I don't have clients yet. Then how can I build my portfolio? And is it necessary to have a portfolio right now as a beginner? That's the myth. You don't wait for clients to give you work. You create it. Come on, dude. You can work on your passion projects. You can make your sample projects. You can work on dummy projects. Whatever shows your skill. When clients see your portfolio, they don't care about if it's for Nike or Netflix. They care about the quality. I think if I am late, they will survive somehow. I mean, it's not the end of the world, right? Are you talking about deadlines? Yes, I'm talking about deadlines. Deadlines are everything. Clients would rather work with someone less talented but reliable than a genius who is always late. You miss one deadline and you are done. You will lose the project, you will lose the client, and you will lose your credibility, and you will lose your reputation. So don't miss the deadlines. But if I ask for an advance or contract, won't that scare client away? I think they will run away. Only bad clients. Good clients expect it. Contracts protect you and advances show commitment. If they refuse both, they are not clients. They are scams, just waiting to happen. But you know what? I'm multi-talented. Editing, design, marketing, I do it all. That's a selling point, right? What do you think? When you are everything, you are nothing. Clients don't want jack of all trades. They want the specialist who can solve their exact problem. The more you niche down, the more valuable you become. So, me being Mr. Everything isn't working? Not at all. Fine, then I will grind 24/7 until I succeed. And that's how you fail again and again. Hustle culture is a lie. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. And burnout kills creativity. If you lose your health, no project is worth it, right? So basically, I have been sabotaging myself this whole time. Yup, these 9 mistakes are not just small errors. They are the difference between freelancers who disappear after a year and freelancers who build a business, a career, and a life. I have made them all. I have wasted my time, money, and energy learning these lessons the hard way. But you don't have to. Freelancing isn't just about skill. It's about positioning yourself, protecting yourself, and respecting yourself. So I will leave you with one question. Are you building your freedom or downfall? Until next time, bye-bye.
He cut the grind, he catch a leg. From edits to hustle, that's him. Stacking the skills, turning them to wins. Building a life where the free now they're this.